Hi, I'm Soha Ali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this: flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all: curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic, because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
I don't agree with this. Dandruff is not just a cosmetic issue or just a dryness complaint. So it has an excess, oil glands are involved in this. There is an excess sebum production happening. There is also a fungal component involved with this. So along with this, sometimes the presentations are also very unconventional. So you have a dry scalp, different picture of scaling, different sizes of scaling associated with itching. So, and there is also a spectrum where we try to differentiate dandruff and other psoriasis spectrum also. So, it's definitely not as simple as we think about it, and it needs an expert guidance.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
Okay, I'll tell you when you need to consult a dermatologist. First is when you're trying any home remedies or over the counter products are not helping you, even regular hair washes are not helping you. Second, when the inflammation or the flaking part is extending on to other areas apart from the scalp. Like you might have flaking on your eyebrows, flaking on your eyelashes, sometimes behind the ear, the chest area, nasolabial, the ala around the nose. So all these are seborrheic areas. So when it is extending beyond your scalp, you have to consult your doctor. And third thing, when the presentation is little different, when you have a localized plaques or when you have larger scales which are not usually responding to your regular home remedies, that is the time you have to take an opinion.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
Yeah, this is a good question. We have to understand that every scalp is unique. So also you have to consider the lifestyle of the individual, the occupation of the individual. All these play an important role, and the frequency of hair washes, the applications, products what they are using. All this have to we have to look into all this before we start the treatment. And coming to home remedies, a lot of people apply coconut oil. They think it's a dry scalp and oil will fix it, and they also have a habit of massaging coconut oil, but this will actually worsen dandruff. We are basically feeding the fungus which also thrives on oil glands. And second thing, people try to use lemon also. It can be irritant and causes other reactions on certain scalps. So you definitely, every scalp is different, and their lifestyle is different, and it has some triggers also. Seasonally dandruff can go worse, stress can even worsen it. Okay, all these has to be explained, and a tailored medication is required. Sometimes we even give oral antifungals also. Yeah. Okay.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
See, the takeaway is you have to seek professional help whenever it is required. So this will, having a tailored treatment for yourself will help in preventing the escalation of the problem.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
Yeah, how to manage your scalp health is, your dandruff also has lot of triggers. Sometimes your diet, sometimes your stress levels, and seasonally also it gets aggravated. So you have to look into your diet, manage your stress, have good amount of sleep. Also avoid using harsh hair tools or hair products onto your hair, and wash your hair as frequently as required.
So, dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching, it signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.